Do you feel tingling, numbness, or pins and needles in your legs or feet? Many people ignore it, or blame fatigue, or poor circulation. But this sensation may be your body's early warning sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nerves. It protects the nerves by maintaining the myelin sheath. When B12 levels drop, nerve signals misfire. This leads to tingling, burning, numbness, and weakness in the legs. This is not just a vitamin issue, it is a nervous system warning. Early signs of B12 deficiency include tingling or numbness, heaviness while walking, weak legs, cold or burning sensations, poor balance, fatigue, brain fog. If ignored, these symptoms can worsen. In some cases, nerve damage can become irreversible. Many people are at risk without realizing it. Vegetarians and vegans, people with digestive issues, low stomach acid, chronic stress, long-term antacid use, metformin users. Here's the hidden truth. You may be taking vitamin B12, but not absorbing it. That's why supplements alone often fail. Real healing requires correct diagnosis, proper absorption, healthy gut function, balanced folate, and iron. Tingling is not normal aging. It is your body asking for attention. The earlier you act, the better your nerves can recover. Visit InnateHeal.com to explore holistic healing solutions. Listen to your body. Heal at the root. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel for more such useful content, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss an update.